Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the feature so Android can record alerts. Open Settings, find Notifications or search Notification History, and flip the toggle on. If the system asks, grant permission to save recent notifications. That allows recovery after dismissal. On some phones, long press the Notifications Quick Settings tile and tap the settings gear to reach the same option faster. Once done, the device begins logging. Make sure to let it run while you reproduce the notifications you want to capture. Now access the recorded list. Go to Settings, Notifications, then Notification History. You'll see a chronological list. Use app filters or the search box to narrow results if many entries appear. Tapping an item reveals content, timestamp, and a shortcut to the app's notification settings. This helps you mute repeat senders or change priority. If you need older alerts, scroll. Android keeps recent entries only, so act quickly if you rely on history to retrieve a dismissed message or alert. To finish, use history to recover content or adjust notifications long-term. If you want records, export details by sharing or screenshotting while the entry is visible. You can toggle notification history off and on to clear the log when needed, but remember that turning it off deletes stored entries. If nothing appears, make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the Settings app and confirm permission was granted. Restarting the phone after enabling history often resolves missing logs. One quick tip: enable persistent logging apps only from trusted sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.